I'm Mitchell. Welcome to another video in the RSP education series. Ever had a perfectly wired control panel that still sends glitchy signals or loses data? It might not be your devices, it's probably noise. When cables carry low-level analog or communication signals near high power lines, things can get messy fast. That's why shielding and routing aren't just about being tidy, they're about performance, safety, and reliability. In this video, we're going to show the real-world best practices for beating electrical noise before it beats you. If you like this content and want more educational videos, like and subscribe. Also, this video is for educational purposes only. Consult a professional for your application. RSP Supply not liable for any misuse of this information. With that said, let's dive right in. So, shielding and routing. Avoiding electrical noise, here's where wiring can get messy if you're not careful. When you're running long cables, especially analog signals or communication wires, they pick up noise from nearby motors or power lines. That's where shielded cables come in. Some best practices: only ground the shield at one end, usually at the panel. This is going to avoid ground loops. Use the drain wire and tie it to the chassis ground, not your signal ground. Never connect both ends of the shield unless you really know what you're doing, and don't mix your wires. Keep power cables and signal cables in separate ducts or conduits. If they have to cross paths, make them cross at 90 degrees to reduce interference. Cable management and conduit. Keep it clean inside the panel. Use wire ducts like Panduits to keep things neat and serviceable. Label everything at both ends. Trust me, future you or your coworker will thank you. Stick to color codes. Blue equals DC negative. Brown equals DC positive. Green or yellow equals ground. Use ferrules or proper terminal ends instead of just jamming wires into terminals. Outside the panel cables, leaving the panel should go through strain reliefs or cable glands in order to prevent pooling. You should also use liquid tight flex conduit for moving parts or wet environments. Always use separate conduits for AC power and for control signals. That keeps noise down and avoids headaches. Install junction boxes if your cable run is long. That way you can pull wire easier and troubleshoot faster. And always support your cable runs. Sagging cables are asking for trouble. Here's a key takeaway. Electrical noise is invisible, but its impact is not. Shield your cables and ground them correctly at one end to the chassis. Keep power and signal wires in their own lanes, and when they do cross, make it quick and make it 90 degrees or perpendicular. Inside the panel, you want to stay organized with wire ducts, labels, and color codes. Outside, use the right conduit, strain reliefs, and junction boxes. Support your cables, don't let them sag and drag your system down. Do it right the first time and your signals will stay clean, your troubleshooting will stay easy, and your future self will owe you a big thank you. Stay tuned, we're just getting started making your control panels bulletproof. For hundreds of thousands of other industrial automation products, go to our website at rspsupply.com, the internet's top source of all top sources for industrial hardware.